in 3 minutes. So let's quickly tell you the lay of the land. 0.75% higher on the Nifty. The Bank Nifty did much better with a 1.4% gain. For the week, the Nifty is down 300 points. That's about 1.7%. And you got the Bank Nifty, which for the week is down about 2%. That is 800-point cut on the Bank Nifty. In today's session, the Bank Nifty outperforming what the Nifty really did. Now, sectorally speaking, I think there's not very much which has changed from the time that we started at 2:30. Real estate, metals are the two indices which did well. Banks I already mentioned, and IT. Actually, metals and IT are the two bigger sectors apart from banks. Real estate not so much, which participated quite well. Both private and public sector banks doing well. And on the downside, you had media, but that's largely Z. Media was the top gainer yesterday on the back of Z. It's the biggest loser today with a 1% cut on the back of Z. Pharma down about 0.6, autos are down about 0.5%, and then there is FMCG, which was actually flat. It improved over the course of the last 1 hour.
Okay, talking about individual movers then. On the gaining side, IT led by HCL Tech was higher in trade. TCS slipped in the last 30 minutes. So by the end of trade, it's down close to about 0.4%. So likely to end in the red. Apart from that, in the metals pack, Hindalco, JSW Steel looking up. But banks stole the limelight in the last 30 minutes with phenomenal moves, up moves in the last 10 minutes in names like HDFC Limited, HDFC Bank. Remember, they've got the NCLT approval for their merger, so that gave a lift to the stocks. ICICI Bank higher in trade, Bharti Airtel ending at the high point of the day. On the losing side, auto in a bit of a reverse gear. Eicher Motors top Nifty loser, aided by Maruti Suzuki, 1.5% gone on that. And NTPC, some amount of profit booking. It's had a couple of good weeks, but today it's ending in the red.
And beyond the index, lots of stock picking going on. I think people looking for some stability in the market and just going in and nibbling now. That was very, very evident. Whether you're looking at a KPIT Tech, 5-6% up, something like Electra Green Tech, some of the Tier 2 PSU banks like a Bank of India, 5% up on that stock. Look at a Kalyan Jewellers, 12%, Jubilant Farmova, 10% higher, a stock like Mirza International, 7 to 8% up. It's a long list of gainers, really. If you're going beyond the index, Monte Carlo, 12% up. So lots and lots of stock picking going on in the broader market. The bell has gone. The Nifty now, because of today's move, has pared down its weekly losses to just about 1.6, 1.7%. Bank Nifty, of course, was the weaker one, down about 2% for the week. Midcap index also down just a shade under 2%. But at least the end is on an optimistic note, guys. I don't know if we can say all's well that ends well. Next week is a heavy one as well. But for the time being, I think the bulls will go into the weekend feeling a little relieved.
Absolutely, right? Not a bad ending to what has been a difficult first half.
Difficult week and a difficult 2 weeks actually now. So let's hope for some peace. Well, all of you have a very good weekend. From all of us here, it's a goodbye. Thank you very much for staying with us. But don't go anywhere. Our Friday special, Smart Money, comes up next.